Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a deep discussion about the digital issue about impact of using social media on teenagers. But before that, let us introduce ourselves first.
Okay, my name is Hasan Kalehi Baryanto. You can call me Hasan.
My name is Yusuf Muhammad Bahyan. You can call me Yusuf.
My name is Gaisan Khazini. You can call me Gaisan.
Okay, we all three is from HC class. But before that, I want ask, Gaisan. Usually when you go holiday, you what thing you do?
What thing you
Nah,
like?
using what thing you do using your phone, using social media.
Yeah, just using for usually for scrolling, of course, because in home and holiday we don't do anything, and then of course always scrolling and then search anything we want like trend 2026 or just velocity or others, but that's not what the name not good for our humans, and also you must search the good, like you search material or some exercising or others lah maybe. And how about YouTube?
Yeah, maybe me same when holiday. I was like I want to stop doom scoring, but like 5 hour later still doing that. How about you?
Okay. Yeah, I think Sam, I was trying to stop scrolling, but once was scrolling, yeah, sometimes I cannot feel if the time was very long. Example, like if I feel the time was 1 hour, it's not. Maybe it can run 6 or until 8 hours.
Okay. This the question of the slide is: Are we living or just scoring? What the answer of this question? For me, this question, we must living, but we always get distracted by scrolling. Like in the morning, you wake up and you see your phone beside your bed, and you just directly want to check what happened last night, what news, or just scrolling because worried like that. But easily you can do another thing, like you can jogging or recreation in the morning or take a bath. How about you?
If me, yeah, scrolling when you wake up in the morning and then you think everything's alright, right? But no, you wake up in your bed, and then after that you do doom scrolling and then search for not good for your habits or anything. Yeah, why? Because every day you always do doom scrolling, search anything you want, and then also join the trend, like trend velocity or others, right? How
Okay.
about you, son?
Okay. Well, sometimes this was always be happen in teenagers. Yeah, yeah, especially like us, was the young people. Okay. Yeah, every time they was wake up from their sleep, they can be they always be scrolling in their phone screen for in social media, and okay,
And what? Any else?
I and maybe they was scrolling like the news or maybe the gossiping other people maybe, and they can spend that time for around spend that time around a lot of hours.
Okay, now I will ask again. In every day, we touch our screens thousands of times. But do we know that what if doing to our minds? That's the
Yeah.
question.
Mm,
How about you,
I
Chop?
to be honest, yeah, I every day one day and then too, I always want to touch my phone and do what I want to do, but Usually I do the thing that's not can make me upgrade skill like what ya. I just maybe watching YouTube or playing game in my mobile. Yeah, same every day.
Okay. For me, and what is the question? Well, for me, and of course, after I was holding the phone and some, some and sometimes maybe using some social media, but sometimes also I was use it for good, like maybe maybe learnnya somethingnya, and also maybe seen another motivation. Okay.
How about you guys?
If me, yeah, like same like you. Last time the answer, yeah. In every morning, I always take my phone in my bed, and also open Instagram or open WhatsApp, do doom scrolling, or anything I want like playing games, not do homework, and then not do exercise. Yeah, I'm always in bed in my bed. Yeah, do doom scrolling or watching YouTube and others.
Okay. Really see this data and listen to you. Every teenager in our age is using social media 6 or 7 hours daily. That's a lot, right? But
Yes.
to represent, you usually can do another thing like playing outside the restaurant. Uh, in your guys' opinion, what what make this happen? But before, in my opinion, first, yeah,
Okay.
because we see a gadget every time.
Okay.
So you put in table, there is no other interaction you can do. You just in home and didn't try to do other thing uh, like go outside playing bicycle or try to cook some food like that. That's in my opinion, yeah. What about you, Sam?
Okay. My okay. My opinion for this was how can this happen? It because every time we sharing and we was like some of content our post and we try to enter inside the account and see more posts and the more you like and see the more it will become, so that's why it can become doom scrolling like this. And that's you'll be spending a lot of time and maybe you will be forget to doing something that's actually good for you.
Okay. In my opinion, teenagers now spend, you can see there, over 6 until 7 hours daily on social media. They not useful social media like Instagram or YouTube or others can make a, make a brain rot. Tusan, yeah, like
Yes.
brain rot. Yeah. They think they scroll on only 1 hour, but the real time is 6 until 7 hours. That's, you can see, that's the data from 2018 to 2024. It's 7.6 hours per day. You can see they waste time 7 hours.
That's pretty a lot, eh?
Yes.
Okay. This ini what you can eating what if the us didn't have any social media or phone, what thing you can do in 7 hours in your opinion, yeah?
In my opinion,
Yes.
I can do I can do some exercise, maybe go to gym or jogging or make some food, making some food, and also mindful movement, deep in mind body connection, current attention in the moments maybe. Then I think I will do some reflecting or talking with others. Yeah, talking with my friends or some students. I think maybe. How about you, San? In your
Okay.
opinion?
I think in 7 hours I can do a lot of stuff. Example like maybe I can paint outside, maybe paint trying to play football or basketball, and because 7 hours is long time, we can go to some place like park or forest to seeing the nature and reflect in your eyes and body. And that was good for your health.
How about you, Cuk?
Yeah, how about you?
Yeah, just honest ya. If I have 7 hours daily to do, I just maybe reading a book and sleep. Yeah, just honest like that. Maybe reading or sleep. 7 hours, it's a lot. Okay, this you can see this the dopamine loop. This about every like and comment is a reward. So,
Yes.
uh, are you agree when you maybe comment in one the most your video you see, you get the top comment, get
Okay.
very lot like from other people.
Yes.
You think that make you happy, right?
Yes. Of course.
Is that true about you? But me, it's like I never that make the top comment. But I have FFP one my video. That's to be honest, make me happy. Why like wow, my video get a lot of view from other people and likes. How about you?
Okay. For maybe some like Yusuf, okay. If I was uploading some video in media social and my video get a lot of view and like, of course I will be like it and maybe like say how can that possible? And maybe I can a lot more content about it. Okay, how about Jason?
If me, yeah. Okay. So you can see that the dopamine loop. If we always do doom scrolling or like see video we like, that's your brain is uh, over dopamine. Yeah, like dopamine. If we makes happy, that's the dopamine. And then if we uh like
One
what's
happy
that?
again,
Yes.
need more, yeah, like
Yeah,
that.
net like that. And then if we do scrolling, that is instant happy. Instant happy.
Yes.
Yeah, that because why we always every morning take it phone, open Instagram, and then do scrolling. Yeah. That's is in your brain is too many dopamines in your brain is ya like that lah. The dopamine is too many.
Okay. Nope. Ah, this hidden list about using social media. Side tell us the bad effect, the negative effect using social, but we didn't realize there is anonymity. So when people comment in our video, like you don't know who, but when he give a head comment, you can feel not to bad or sad like that. This FOMO too and sleep loss, so you can like yeah, because sleep loss maybe using social media, you using 6 or 7 hours, you sleep late in 12 middle of night like that.
Okay. Well, as you can see, in social media there are also a lot of hidden risks. Yeah, maybe just like maybe like anonymity, which is so when people can do cyberbullying and cannot see that the people that they're bullying was tears and maybe get depression, and that depression can commit to suicide. And also, for myself, maybe example like you see your friend was hanging out to some play or maybe buying something. You want to follow him, and even you want to exactly same like him. Okay. And also at last we sleep lost.
Okay. B, because we
The
run
time
out
is
of
enough.
time, yeah. That, but actually we want to continue this, but the time didn't support. Okay, maybe just closing for us. Thank you very much for listening our discussion ya. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.